When I was 18, I started as a makeup artist. By applying makeup to other people, it really allowed me to see my inner beauty. As a plus-size woman of color, there just never was anybody that I could identify with. There was a huge opportunity to really change that narrative. After 15 years of working on the corporate side of beauty, I left my job and I just made the leap. There was no turning back. I launched LYS Beauty, which stands for Love Yourself. I wanted to show people the feeling of truly loving what you saw looking back at you in the mirror. That's why I made this. I'm Tisha Thompson, the founder of LYS Beauty. LYS stands for Love Yourself. It really was this homage to myself in those moments where I just didn't feel like I could and I didn't feel good enough. Beauty is this emotional connection. It's really about how it makes you feel. When I first started using makeup, I used it really more so to hide and change myself versus celebrate myself. Being a military child, I traveled a lot and I always was trying to fit in. Eventually through beauty, I was able to identify with who I was and I was in love with makeup from that point on. I really wanted to be a makeup artist. I was like, this is what I want to do. I actually landed a job as a staff accountant for a makeup brand. I was able to fuel my passion for makeup on the weekends. I wanted to create a brand that everyone could feel seen and represented when using the products, but also I wanted it to be affordable. The brand journey started with how am I going to bring this love yourself concept to life? My vision was to take the brand to retail. I had this larger than life idea for the brand because that's what I had done for 15 years of my career. I started going to the labs and I started creating formulas so I could get their instant love for this concept that was just on paper.
The concealer is probably my absolute favorite.
For us, it was so important to make sure that we hit on all of the skin tones. A lot of times people get left out of the conversation. All the colors are either too red or too yellow. By being in the lab firsthand, that representation is so important. When I have the ability to be a part of the development process, I know that I'm gonna get a product that I'm confident in and it's gonna work for everybody. Between that and now our cream bronzers, which are extremely pigmented, I took the time to create products that were really complexion focused. And then I also started to have some fun with colors, which is our blushes, top seller for us as well. I'm so excited about our newest product, which is our Lash Confidence Mascara. Let's talk about our mascara. I think going with the triangle packaging is a better fit. I wanted to be consistent with the brand. Yeah. I came up with the triangle package, shaped like a delta symbol, which means change. Because I'm creating this brand that's about you and this whole notion of confidence, I needed a package that stood out. One of the things we wanted to make sure with the lab, we'll submit these spec boards to them and make sure they know like these are out of range. So if it has these imperfections, they have to reject them. We'll sign off on this. I think this is approved. I had a vision and Sephora saw it. I really wanted to be the first Black-owned clean makeup brand to be sold at Sephora. They loved the idea, and so we started production. I really loved their focus on diversity. They sought out to be a part of the 15% pledge. I knew that they were the right partnership, and it's been an incredible journey with them. On the day of the launch, I was extremely overwhelmed, and when we sold out as fast as we sold out, I knew it was the right timing. Since launch, it's been a whirlwind. 2 years ago, I didn't have a brand, and now it's sold worldwide. Today, we're at our new office here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're still under construction. We haven't moved in just yet, but I'd love to still give you a tour. Come on in, check it out. It's so crazy to think that we are now in such a large, almost 3,000 square foot space. We started off with 2 people, and now we have this beautiful space that I get to create and design. It's really just a dream come true. It's so important for representation in clean beauty. It really just is an opportunity to open that door to now so many other brands that can come in with the same vision. Everyone deserves access to clean beauty. The more brands that we have that share that vision is just gonna continue to move the beauty conversation forward in such a positive and impactful way.